Good morning, this is Federico Bentley from Ayondo Markets giving you this morning's market update. This morning we start by looking at the European markets once again. The UK 100 rolling is almost flat this morning. The France 40 rolling is lower by 12 points. The Germany 30 rolling is down by almost 25 points. Looking at oil prices today, they rose, lifted by optimism that the market may have finally bottomed out of US production fell for the sixth week in a row. Brent crude, the global benchmark, rose 0.7% to $37.31 per barrel this morning, putting it on course to end the week with a gain of more than 5%. Meanwhile, West Texas Intermediate crude, the US benchmark, swelled 0.72% to $34.82 a barrel. US oil inventories had a new record of 517.98 million barrels last week, but production fell for the sixth consecutive straight week to 9.8 million barrels per day, according to data released by the Energy Information Administration today. Analysts expect banks will be more reluctant to make loans to cash-strapped shale producers. Many analysts are expecting US oil production to tail off this year as banks become more reluctant to make loans to the country's cash-strapped shale producers. Despite proving more resilient than expected, they're finally starting to succumb to low oil prices, which have fallen around 70% since June 2014. The second meeting of the OPEC and non-OPEC producers are planning to meet in Russia on 20th of March to continue talks on freezing oil output, according to Nigeria's oil minister Emmanuel Kachiwiku. At the first meeting in February, brokered by de facto OPEC leaders Saudi Arabia, Russia, Qatar and Venezuela, agreed they would cap their production at January levels if other oil-producing countries followed suit. Oil inventories have taken the preliminary agreement as a sign that countries could later reduce output to clear the global supply glut that has forced down prices. Iran has powered scorn on the deal, however, calling it ridiculous and laughable as it vows to continue to raise its production. There has also been no word from Iraq, the other major oil exporter that's intending to increase its production. Looking at some key data and focus out today, we have at 2:30 US non-farm payrolls, and that's pretty much it for the main news. So thank you very much for listening and all the best on your day's trading.